an ADA loading zone ramp. Right here we have the clinic. It's being renovated with new flooring, bathroom renovations. Putting in new floors in all of the offices off the main corridor. We'll be putting in new LED lighting in all the classroom units. We're replacing all the air handlers. We're going to be repaving a lot of the blacktop area. A lot of stuff outside, paving, lighting, and then also a lot of stuff inside with refurbished bathrooms, new air conditioning. So not only will they see it, they'll feel it.